Summary is about love, passion, positivity, good vibes generally, and good music. True Musician is a very special EP, because as the name implies, it talks about my musicianship. I have a conviction that I am born a musician. Thus, I've been a musician all my life. Right from my early days as a child in church, and fast forward to today. Music is what I make for a living. I make music for a living, you understand me? So, True Musician is a deeper dive into my calling as a musician.